Hello, it's Greg McIntyre and
Hayden Soloway.
this is the Christmas edition of Elder Law Report. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Great to see you out there. I hope you have a great time with friends and family. And until then, this is a little bit of a variety show today. So what we're doing is we're going to talk a bit about estate planning, with the family over the holidays, some important things to have in place. Also, we're going to read some of the funniest wills of all time. Some funny wills, as well as we're going to invite you into my home where we're going to have our Christmas party, okay? So you're going to have the Christmas party with us today, as well as Hayden does a special reading of 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, the Elder Law edition, which is much different from the regular poem, as you may remember. Was the night before Christmas, okay?
This one was authored by the one and only.
It was authored by me.
Yes.
So thank you for tuning in today, and I think you'll enjoy a great show.
Merry Christmas.
So this is a poem I wrote not too long ago about Christmas, and I think you'll enjoy it. As read by the Hayden Soloway.
Gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My blood do. Ooh, I forgot name. I can't buy where the rain. Rather go and buy ball mains. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
So just kidding, that was a total accident. Here's the poem. 'Twas the night before Christmas.
'Twas the night before Christmas. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the land not a creature was stirring, not but old Uncle Sam. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that our home and retirement will always be there. The children and grandchildren all snug in their beds. I wonder if college debt will hang over their heads.
I wonder.
And Mama in her snuggie, and I in my socks, trying to settle our brains from worrying about our stocks. When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I sprang from the bed to see what was the matter. Away from the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. And to my eyes what should appear but a miniature sleigh, an 8 tiny reindeer. With legal tools at the ready and a twinkle in his eye, I knew in a moment it was the Elder Law guy. Now Willie, now Trusty, now Lady Birdie, now Dee Dee. On POA, on dock. On probate and administrate. To the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now dash away, dash away, dash away all. As dry leaves that before the wild hurricane fly, when they meet with an obstacle mount to the sky. So up to the housetop the horses they flew, with a sleigh full of legal dogs and legal claws too. And then in a twinkling I heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each little hoof. All noises ceased, it was quiet as a mouse, and I knew the Elder Law guy was here to save my retirement and house. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work, and filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk, and laying his finger aside of his nose, and giving a nod, he filled my estate planning docs with legal prose. He sprang to his sleigh, to his legal team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him explain as he drove out of sight, give the peace of mind this Christmas to all, and good night.
There you go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, Greg.
I don't know what to do with my hands. All right, Merry Christmas. So we're talking about wills and foundational planning today, something that everybody should be talking with their family about over the holidays. Please refer back to my Thanksgiving video, and I'll show you just exactly how you should do that. In a funny way, though. No, it starts with conversations. And so foundational planning. Hayden, why should people have in place the general durable power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney, living will, and will? That's 4 documents. General durable power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney, living wills, and wills. Why should you have all 4 of those in place?
I could talk.
No matter how old you are, 18 to 118.
You never know what's going to happen.
I do. I know exactly what's going to
You
happen.
do. I know you're going to be crowed
frozen at 150.
Whatever, yeah.
But you don't know, you're right, you have no idea what's gonna
But
happen.
you can't
Yeah.
stop the Mack truck that's coming down the road at you in the middle of the night. So anything can happen, so you need to be prepared. You have children, you have homes, you do want to make disposition of your property and your money so that it goes to the people that you care about.
Sure,
And
absolutely.
So the will is part of that, planning otherwise is
Right.
part of that.
Does my hair look okay?
It actually looks very good.
Does it? I parted it today.
does.
I feel like I'm becoming my father.
You do?
Yes, please continue.
Okay. And you're not becoming your dad.
Okay, all right.
Good, I like your mom, I
Oh, great.
think.
I mean, I'm not even gonna comment on that.
Your mother's beautiful.
Yes, she is. Thanks.
Great parents.
Thanks.
I do get
um,
something.
yeah.
Your general durable power of attorney is the document that determines who is going to make your decisions for you on your financial and other affairs other than healthcare. And you want to make sure you choose the right person. You don't want just that left up to a court or no decision to be made when it's decision time. The healthcare power of attorney, you also don't want that left up to a court because you know who is best to take care of your financial affairs and who's best to take care of your medical issues.
You do, and you want to have backups on the power of attorneys so that if one person can't do it, say husband for wife, wife for husband, if one of those is unable, or if you're the last one surviving, is that document dead? Does it not work? You don't want that. You want for a child or another trusted family member to be able to step in and handle those affairs if you need them to.
Right.
So having second or third people in there as your attorney in fact, if you will, or your agent to act for legal, personal business, and for healthcare matters is extremely important. And don't wait until it's too late.
And you don't know when that's going to be.
Yeah.
That's why it's important to plan ahead.
What if you wait until it's too late?
Then the state of North Carolina has provisions for that, and they do it what they think is the best way, which may not at all be what you think.
Well, in guardianships, that's right. Yeah, that's the guardianship route. And then
Or division of assets.
options are very limited. Right, that's right. Options are very limited. Or division of assets if you pass away. That's right. If you pass without a will, there's probate administration and intestate succession statutes in North Carolina determine exactly how everything goes. So, and that could not be at all the way you wanted it to go. For instance, if I pass away and, I don't have a will directing everything to my wife, do you know how the state says it goes?
No,
The
I
6
don't know
kids?
that. I guess it's
My
divided.
kids have an interest, have a 2/3 interest. I keep my wife keeps a 1/3 interest in it. Is that how I want my property divided at that time? No.
The money to your kids is probably going to be put in trust.
Well, yeah, it would just be stuck there
And not,
until they
and
turned
not
18.
accessible.
Turned 18,
Yes.
that's right, that's right.
And I think you could probably petition to spend the money, but the
No,
court.
I mean, there's very limited
You're
reasons why you can never touch that money, for a minor. So that would not be the way I would want it to go at all. I want everything to go to my wife because she needs it, and she needs it to raise our 6 kids if I'm gone, right? I mean,
If they need it for college, if they need it for a computer,
that's right.
yeah.
And I certainly don't want to give it to them at 18 so they can just go blow it at the beach or whatever they're going to do with it, I'm sure they're going to make smart decisions at 18 with
Think so.
a decent amount of money. So anyway, it's so for so many reasons, I would implore everyone out there to put in place their foundational documents. That's the general durable power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney, living will, and will. And if you add on deed protection to a home or other property, that can be very powerful. That is an affordable way and a direct way to protect property, such as with life estate deeds, ladybird deeds, those types of things, and protect against a possible long-term care situation so they can't be affected by any liens in the future you might create.
And most people do, that is their biggest asset. That's where most of their money's invested. So you want to make absolutely sure, and it's so simple to do, it's so quick we can do it, to get that squared away so you do not lose that house.
You're not so serious.
I am, you know
You're
that,
serious.
that's what.
The woman in black.
Yes, I am.
Jamie Cash.
Well, I thought I was going to a dressy party tonight.
Oh, okay. So actually,
But
not a sweater
now
party.
I've got to go.
Party at my house
Silly
tonight.
sweater.
Ugly sweater party for our firm. Okay, everybody will be there, and we'll show you that later on in the show. Thank you for talking with us. I still don't know what to do with my hands. I don't know.
I think this
What do we
works.
do? This works. So stay tuned for the rest of the show.
Have you worked your entire life so that your life savings and even your home can be taken away?
I'm attorney Greg McIntyre. When people think of an estate plan, they think of a will or a power of attorney. But if you have a home, savings, maybe some stocks, maybe even a vacation home, you need to put protections in place that those documents do not guarantee. Let me help protect you and your hard-earned money and property. Call McIntyre Elder Law at 855-267-5052.
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. So there was a man who passed away, and he had a will. And his wife had always told him, you better remember me in your will. What does will say, Hayden?
It said, to my first wife, Sue, whom I always promised to mention in my will. Hello, Sue.
That's not nice. But it's
Funny.
kind of funny. So, Jack Benny. Do you remember Jack Benny?
I do.
He was a famous guy. Wasn't he like a talk show host or something?
He had a variety show.
I would like to have a variety show. This is kind of a variety show.
It is.
Yes, it is. Oh, you look cute with your reindeers on there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So Jack Benny passed away, okay? And he was married to somebody, Lori Livingston. Was that her name?
Mary.
Mary Livingston.
Livingston.
I'm sorry. And what did he do when he passed away?
Well, they were married for about 50 years. And when he passed away, he left instructions and money with a florist to put a red rose, send her a red rose every day of her life, which he did.
I don't know if that's good or if that's really creepy.
Well,
You know?
that's what Mrs. Livingston,
Don't send me
that's what Miss Benny
don't
said.
send me a rose from the grave. I'll remember you. I'll remember you. I'm
Well,
not going to send you a rose from the grave.
She wrote in a magazine that they weren't sure if that's romantic or just a little creepy.
Yeah, maybe a little creepy. So Sandra West. Sandra West was a California socialite. What does that mean? Does that mean she was a social butterfly?
Well,
She
she
flirted around?
hobnobbed with the wizards.
Hobnob with the big time
Yes,
people in
an
Hollywood.
oil heiress.
An oil heiress. Okay, so I guess that means she had a lot of money from her oil fortune. She had a blue Ferrari, and she passed away at 37. That's young.
But she had
de-
made plans.
But she demanded in her will that she be buried in her nightgown and her blue Ferrari with the seats reclined. Okay, comfortably,
Stipulated.
right? So they buried her that way, and then they put concrete on top of the car to make sure thieves wouldn't get it. That is kind of wacky. I wonder where she's buried. Can you get concrete off a Ferrari?
Well,
If I'm driving a blue Ferrari next week, I had nothing to do with it.
that car now sells for $300,000. I think I
It's
could
an
chip
expensive
away
car.
on some concrete for that kind of money.
All right, so we're going to read this name. She was some famous person, I'm sure.
It's he, Luis Carlos de Noronha Cabral.
That's really good.
Yeah.
So he was an aristocrat who was a childless aristocrat. He didn't have any children. So he went through the phone book and just picked people by randomly.
70 random people.
70 random people and distributed his millions to them. And you know what? They were notified that they were inheriting the benefactor's cash, home, and car. So,
Just out of the blue.
out of the blue, imagine that. That would be awesome, by the way.
Yeah.
Another reason to have a will. So you can just,
How do you get in that random list?
I don't know how to do
I'm gonna
that.
be in the
That's
random
right.
list.
Ready? So this one is, this one is a will of a Canadian attorney, okay? And he had $568,106, which is only $568,105 more than I have, okay?
In your billfold.
That's right, in my wallet, or period.
And he was childless.
And he was childless, he had no children, okay? So he set forth a contest. So what was the contest name?
He was leaving it to the women who had the most children, live births, married women, I think he stipulated, in the 10 years after he passed.
That's right. And
So,
so
on
after
that
10 years, they
anniversary-
won. And at that, at that anniversary of that 10 years, they gave it to
4 women who tied with 9 babies over a
babies.
10-year period. That's a lot of babies in 10 years.
I wonder how many of them actually worked to win that money.
I don't know.
And the second place is thousands and thousands and
I
thousands
know, I
of
know.
dollars raising.
All right, show me your. What is that? It's lit.
It's lit, Greg.
Are you a gift or a Christmas tree or what?
Probably both.
Both.
All the above.
A Christmas tree gift. All right, nice. What about you, Maui Mal? What are you?
Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
You're
got
the
tinsel.
spirit of Santa Claus
I'm
and
the
Christmas,
essence
and it's snowing
of
on you.
Santa.
And I actually don't. I mean, that's not an ugly sweater. I actually like that sweater. I might actually wear that sweater.
I don't do ugly.
I think I actually have one of those in my closet. Santa Claus over here. Is that like South Park Santa Claus or something?
I'm not sure.
And then we have a Christmas tree.
Oh, yeah.
Merry Christmas tree with presents underneath. There you go. And the first Noel.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. And Kate, I don't know what you are right now.
Say, I'm just
What are you right now?
Yeah. She's like, I'm 4, Daddy. She's just
You're
waiting
4.
for me.
Okay, there you go. And we got Rob the Brit, who did not wear a sweater, but did wear a scarf. She did wear a scarf, which is pretty cool.
I mean, Greg, I don't think it would have made any difference.
Here, hold this. I mean, I conservatively dressed today as in my cat onesie pajamas. Okay, so there you go.
But can you meow, 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 meow?
It's not technically a sweater. Though.
No, but
No.
you're in contention.
I'm okay.
Oh, yeah.
It could be. I could put on a sweater on top of this.
Yes, you could.
Stephanie, what are you dressed as? Meowie Christmas? Oh, you're the cat's meow. And I'm like the cat. That's pretty cool. Oh, sorry. And you got stockings on your feet?
You're the cat's pajamas.
I'm the cat's pajamas.
Pajamas.
I actually just figured out what I am. I'm the cat's pajamas. The cat's pajamas. I like that. And you have, are those our Christmas stockings for the hearth?
There are two Christmas stockings.
Okay. And what's Sanjay?
Sanjay is Santa.
Santa? Oh, nice. Great job, Sanjay.
Be on the good list.
All right. We are. What are we making a video of? Dance for us, Steph. Dance up, Steph. Do the kid and play. There you go. All right. Root, root.
Well, I'm not going to try that. Do it, Miss Diane.
It's been a long day, but it's been a good day. How about you, Steph?
I'm exhausted.
Are you? I'm tired too. So I'm turning in. What time is it? Like
To what?
What time is
What
it?
are you turning into?
I'm going to bed in a little bit. I'm actually going to finish this and then I'm going to bed. Thank you to all our clients for the year and all our clients, period. To everyone who we work with. And thank you to you, Steph, seriously, for
Naked baby crawling on my back.
for making a great spread tonight.
Life.
For us. I appreciate it. Hey, Crate. Thank you, Stephanie. Anyway, Merry Christmas from the McIntyre family and McIntyre Elder Law, and we'll see you after Christmas. Okay. Me too. Me too, Kate. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right. Bye.
Bye.